do the 4 variations in the beginning of the etude Wohlfahrt suggests. I think this is beneficial and you should definitely give it a shot. I'm not going to play all of them now, just to save time, but I'm going to demonstrate just the beginning of each to help you get started. But you should play the whole etude with these variations. If you study this etude properly, you will learn détaché technique on all 4 strings, and also how to maneuver between the strings and deal with the accidentals. So really be careful with the extra notes the composer is throwing at us and how to prepare for them. If this etude is easy for you, then it's really a good exercise for a sight reading that I think is beneficial for everyone to improve their sight reading. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.